Not a good sight in
That's
that
Floyd
spot.
County, around the Rome area, northwest Georgia, to the Chattooga River over its banks. They had like 11 inches of rain
Wow.
over
Oh
the
my
course of a couple of
gosh.
days over the weekend. So, and part of that moisture is kind of coming our way, not in that scale,
Right.
but it's coming our way. Let's get to it. Let me show you these pictures. We'll take you out to Tellico Village, and what we've got is this sort of steady, moderate rain that's falling, and it's covering up the skies here at Tellico Village, and will continue to fall at least for the next hour or so. The steady rain is with us, and it will be continuing to sort of tally up. But in some locations, and as you see, this is a 12-hour rainfall total, northern Anderson up toward Campbell County. So we're up into that I-75 corridor, over 3 inches of rain there, but meanwhile just a trace of rain over toward portions of Morgan County. That's kind of the disparity we're seeing with this rain spread. Now at last hour, here's the look at the steadier rain, a little bit of enhancement here coming through Loudoun County and parts of Roane County, but then a break very quickly after that. So it's not all afternoon setting in heavy rain, but a brief little burst of moderate rain will tally up fairly quickly. As you look at your timeline forecast for the next few hours through the afternoon and evening, we'll be in and out of this sort of steady rain. It looks like the heavier showers may get confined to the Smokies and points eastward over western North Carolina. We won't be completely breaking from the rain, but for a large portion of our late afternoon into the evening hours, essentially dry. It'll be warm and humid, but rain-free for some once we get past sundown. Additional rain in some spots. You can see another inch in a few locations as these rainfall totals tally up. Flooding concerns really, I expect, for western North Carolina. The entire area is under this slight risk, the yellow shaded area, for excessive rain. That's where the flooding risk exists, and we are under a flood watch for all of eastern Tennessee, southeast Kentucky, southwest Virginia. That just means the conditions are favorable for rain-producing storms, or mostly just showers, not much thunder at all in this, that could produce some localized flooding. Quick rise in some streams, some creeks, ponding on roadways, that sort of thing. And the cloud cover and rain keeping our temperature steady in the low 70s. No excessive heat out there. Our dew points are in the low 70s, so it's an extremely humid, if not kind of cool afternoon. A quick look at the tropical satellites before we get to our local forecast. We've got 2 named systems now. We've got Hurricane Danielle out over the northern Atlantic, and now Tropical Storm Earl, which could become the season's first major hurricane as it makes its run toward Bermuda by the end of the week. So after a period of almost 2 months with actually no activity, things heating up in the first 5 days of September. 79 is as warm as it'll get today, and that may be late in the afternoon when the clouds kind of thin out. For the remainder of the day, we'll keep a 60% chance for rain, locally heavy in some spots. That will taper off to 20% after dark. So a little bit of a break from the rain coverage. And so that break continues. A little bit warmer, but just a 30% chance for some spotty storms for Tuesday and Wednesday. Mostly dry on Thursday as the rain chance really comes down. But then the moisture coming back up and will elevate the rain coverage for Friday, Saturday, Sunday to 40%. Paige?
Thanks so much, Justin.